अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। आज की वीडियो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाली है क्योंकि इसमें मैं आप लोगों के साथ वो MCQs जो कि लास्ट CSS, PMS और PPSC के एग्ज़ाम्स में आ चुके हैं वो MCQs शेयर करने वाली हूँ। करंट अफेयर से रिलेटेड ये MCQs हैं, सो वीडियो को लास्ट तक ज़रूर देखिएगा, ये आप लोगों के लिए बहुत ही बेनिफिशियल होने वाली है। ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस वीडियो। बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दिस वीडियो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल। द वर्ल्ड हाइएस्ट माउंटेन इज़ इन Nepal, Italy, Sri Lanka. So the right option is Nepal. On the map of the world, which country appears as long shore? Yes, the right option is Italy. The headquarters of Red Cross are in London, New York, Berlin, or Geneva. The right option is Geneva. The Amir Bhasha Dam has been planned on the river Jhelum, Chenab, Indus. None of these. The right option is Indus. Hud scam 2010 struck a blow to Fazlur Rahman, Azam Sawati, Hamid Saeed Kazmi, Ishaq Dar and Anamullah. So the right option is Sawati, Hamid Saeed Kazmi. Who was the special representative of USA for Afghanistan and Pakistan affairs? The right option is Richard Holbrooke. Okay, the next Afghan-Pak policy was announced in 2008-9-7. So the right option is 2009. Ship-mounted energy project activated in Pakistan 2010 is sponsored by Saudi Arabia, China, Turkey. None of these. So the right option is Turkey. The Asian Development Bank was established in 1964, 1966, 1968, 1960. According to me, the right option is 1966. Who are the three statesmen who formulated non-aligned movement? Nasir Tito. Option B. The permanent secretariat of SAARC is established at Kathmandu, Dhaka, Delhi, Islamabad. So the right option is Kathmandu. First UN conference on sustainable development happened in 1952, 1962, 1972, 1982. So the right option is 1962. Rani Dam exists in Sindh, Balochistan, Punjab. None of these. The right option is Balochistan. The founder of WikiLeaks scam belongs to America, England, Australia, Austria. Australia. Are how many non-permanent member of Secretary Council? 12, 13, 14, 10. Right option is 10. Pakistan has become non-permanent member of Security Council for 2 times, 3 times, 6 times or 5 times. 3 times. The first constructed barrage of Pakistan is Chenab Barrage, Sakhar Barrage, Tonsa Barrage. None of these. The right option is Sakhar Barrage. Okay. The next is where was Jesus Christ born? Iraq, Jerusalem, Makkah. None of these. The right option is Jerusalem. RAW is abbreviation. RAW is an Indian agency. Is abbreviation of Radical Army Wing Research and Warning Research and Analysis Wing. The right option is C. Research and Analysis Wing. Who was the first Viceroy of India? Lord Ruffin, Lord Canning, Lord Curzon. None of these. The right option is Lord Canning. According to Rousseau, legitimate political authority is based on his own slavery, force, social conduct. None of these. The right option is social conduct. East India Company was established in. The right option is 1600. British government sold Kashmir to Gulab Singh in 1846, 1845, 1843, 1845. Gymnophobia is the fear of nudity, gyms, hotels, none of these. Right option is nudity. Okay. McMahon is border between India, China, India and Nepal, India and Bangladesh. None of these. The right option is India and China. Places experiencing equal impact earthquake are called snow lines, seismic belts, seismic lines. None of these. The right option is seismic line. Which is the deepest ocean in the world? Arctic, Atlantic, Pacific. None of these. The right option is Pacific. Largest airport of the world is New York Airport, Frankfurt Airport, Dubai Airport. None of these. The right option is Dubai Airport. Of a news agency belongs to Palestine Jordan, Syria, none of these. The right option is Palestine. FBI of America was established in 1901, 1902, 1903, none of these. Right option is none of these because the right option is 1908. Founder of Republican Party of USA, Alexander Hamilton, Franklin Roosevelt, George Washington, none of these. Right option is none of these because the founder Thomas Jefferson. Who was the first Chief Minister of Balochistan from May 1972 to February 70? Sardar Ataullah Mingar. Who was the first Muslim Chief of Air Staff of Pakistan? Air Marshal Asghar Khan, Air Marshal Noor Khan, Air Marshal Feroz Khan, none of these. Right option is Air Marshal Asghar Khan. Which country is the biggest producer of uranium in the world? France, South Africa, Canada, none of these. The right option is Canada. International Day for the Elimination of Violence Against Women is observed annually on 25th December, 23rd November, 25th November, none of these. The right option is 23rd November. International Day for Elimination of Racial Discrimination is observed annually on 3rd May, 21st March, 1st March, none of these. Right option is 21st March. Martin Luther King Jr. was Klingerman activist. Option A, civil rights movement choosing non-violent civil disobedience in USA. Which of the following country has absolutely no military forces? Costa Rica, Japan, Iceland, none of these. The right option is Iceland. NATO headquarters are located in Birmingham, Barcelona, Baltimore, none of these because the right option is none of these because headquarters are in Brussels and Belgium. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and give it a big thumb. Thank you.